how to add texture in Photoshop. Now I will tell you the simplest and easiest method to do this. Now this is the image I want to add texture in it. What I'll do is I'll go here and this is the file and I'll drag here. Now I'll adjust the corners here so that it will cover all my picture. So I'll scroll down. So here it is. Now I'll go here, this option opacity, and I will turn it down. Now fill, I'll drag down also here, and you have to toggle this according to your picture, what you will find best. Now as you can see, here is some sort of texture. Now this is not over here. What I'll do is I will select Ctrl Shift and E. Now the layers have been merged here. I'll go to this filter option, camera raw filter. Now scroll down and I'll increase the clarity. So you can see here that texture is being added. Now I'll show you before and after. Before and after. I'll select to fit to view. So you can adjust according to your picture. If you want to increase more, let's say you want to texture, then it will be more prominent. So I'll select OK. So this is the simplest and easiest method to add texture in your photo in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.